I want to announce that our next cohort for our Applied Systems Development course is starting soon on November 7th. You can enroll now to get a head start at Ablewaytech.com. This course was developed with Dr. Ken Long and is focused on putting Ken's trading concepts into practice for intraday and swing trading. We'll be hosting live weekly Zoom sessions. It's 12 weeks of step-by-step instructions in a logical and structured manner. The first 6 weeks will be an interactive step-by-step workshop where we'll trade the Kata Challenge system. And then we're going to learn some advanced strategies using the plan, prepare, execute, and assess model, including some advanced exit techniques and assessment methods that you can start applying in your own trading. We'll also go through all of the indicators and terminologies of Dr. Ken Long to make sure you have a comprehensive understanding. Here's some testimonials from our last cohort. Applied Systems Development is one of the very few trading courses that are truly genuine and complete. The course is probably the only course you need to develop a successful trading system, and it is well suited to both experienced traders and beginners. I wish I had taken this course when I started my trading journey. Such a course would have saved me a significant amount of money and suffering. What was special about this course was the practical application of the strategies learned. Between sessions, we were encouraged to apply the techniques we had just learned in real trading situations. This practical approach was invaluable in improving our skills and increasing our confidence in executing successful trades. This course provides the greatest shortcut to Ken Long's trading wisdom. And if you join now, you can view our prior cohort recordings to get a head start. Just go to Ablewaytech.com for more details. Thanks for watching.